How to turn off autocorrects in Google Docs. So in this video today we are going to learn perfect method. So let's start with the video, guys. And before we start, I request you, if at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs. So let me open one blank Google Docs page here. So I have open here. So you can see I have some write the text on page. If you want to disable the autocorrect, we need to go in this tool options. Under the tools we can see, come to the down bottom and click on this preference options. Under preference option, here you can see this is option called autocorrect spelling. So you need to disable it and just click OK, then it will be disabled. So that is how you can simply turn off the autocorrect in Google Docs. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.